યા જિંદગીમાં હું બે લાઈન ક્યારે બી સ્ટેજ પર બોલ્યો હું તો ચોક્કસ બોલું છું, बिकॉज आई फर्मली बिलीव इन इट. आइए आपस में कुछ बात करें, आइए आपस में कुछ बात करें, कुछ देर यूं ही हम आपका दीदार करें. मिलती है जिंदगी बड़ी मुश्किल से, फिर क्यों ना मिलजुल कर इसका श्रृंगार करें. बोलવું was half the work, કરવું was the thing. સ્ટ્રેટેજી હતી પણ એક્ઝિક્યુશન નહોતું. So that is where I place masterclass in my life, in my career. So starting with us, PRD Cottons, journey from someone to the only one. हमारा लक्ष्य, core purpose and mission well defined only after doing masterclass. To assist cotton farmers in improving yield and quality, helping cotton users locate regular sources of quality cotton at nominal prices, and to prevent the arbitrary use of paper and plastic objects where cotton can easily be replaced as a renewable resource. Renewable resources, if you use paper, it comes from trees. Trees take 20 years to grow minimum, if they do grow that much. But cotton, it grows every year. It is regenerated every year. Example, we can use cotton handkerchief like we used to do since years against tissue paper, cotton bags versus plastic bags. Even paper bags will one day become obsolete because we will not have any trees to cut, thereby saving the environment. मास्टर क्लास से पहले ये जीना भी कोई जीना है, you can fill in the blanks. Parent company in cotton trade since 109 years. अनुभव तो है. बिजनेस विथ एथिक्स, नियत भी है. इन डेप्थ नॉलेज ऑफ कॉटन, ज्ञान भी है. स्टार्टेड अदर कंपनीज फॉर ट्रेड, ब्रोकिंग एंड ट्रेडिंग सर्विसेज, डाइवर्सिफिकेशन भी है. मेंटेन द सेपरेट आइडेंटिटी ऑफ ऑल कंपनीज, दिशा नहीं है. दिस इज वॉट वी यूज टू लुक लाइक. एवरी कंपनी दैट वी हैव हैड अ डिफरेंट कार्ड, अ डिफरेंट लोगो एंड हिडन आइडेंटिटी. पीआरडी कॉटन में जो काम करता है उसे ये नहीं मालूम कि लेशा इंपेक्स किसकी है. तन्मय टेस्टिंग लैब में जो हमारे यहाँ कॉटन टेस्टिंग करते हैं उसे हम हरगिज नहीं कहते कि भी पीआरडी कॉटन भी हमारी कंपनी है. एंड ईच कंपनी हैड अ लोगो. Extraordinary market and forex fluctuations in 2011-12, erratic and unreasonable government policies in 10, 11, 11, 12, especially for cotton exports. There was ban 3 times in those 2 years. High risk and minimize returns to the company. We went against the government of India. We filed a court case. We fought the case. Took about 3 months. Won the case, but lost lot of time and money. Lost focus on broking and testing services, and all the financial burden of salary and expenses was on the trading firm, that is Lesha Impex Private Limited. Result, in first time in my career, financial loss to the company in 2012, lack of confidence and direction, did not know where to go next because we were focusing only on trade that time. Masterclass ka jadoo, and then came Masterclass, July, August 2012. I did that with a group of my volleyball friends just for fun. एक जन ने suggest किया, मैंने किया, बहुत अच्छा है, मनोज गड्ढा, and we all went for it. Whole team registered all together. What it did, is change my mindset, and later on, as it is doing now my life, instrumental in bringing out my goal from the bottom of my heart. When I entered the market 23 years back, I had a definite goal. In the meantime, my father expired, responsibilities, mental blocks, bad company around me, negative people around me, rigid staff, rigid attitude, did not bring out that vision clearly in my life. Now what we have is a clear strategy and an execution plan in place. USP of master classes, doing business with both Niti and Masti. Very important. That is what Amrish Bhai embedded in our mind. The first day that we did master class, in the evening I sang a song. Amrish Bhai, with your permission. सीने में जलन आंखों में तूफान सा क्यों है, इस ऑफिस में हर शख्स परेशान सा क्यों है. That was the scene in my office. MD है तो भड़कने का बहाना कोई ढूंढे, और स्टाफ भी हर एक बात से हैरान सा क्यों है. That was the scene in our office. Thank you. And then Amrish Bhai came and suggested, he looked at our business module and he suggested, he brought all the companies under one umbrella of a parent company, one identity, promoted all the services offered by the group company in black and white in an attractive brochure, no different cards, no logos, nothing, all in one. Helped me focus on my basic strength, knowledge and ethics. Masterclass gave me a global vision. He told me, get out of the well. Don't think about India. Don't think about yourself. Only Mumbai. Cotton is traded throughout the world. And you have that knowledge of the world. But when you employ that knowledge for yourself, you only think about your company, your country, which is not enough. So he gave us a global vision. This is how we look today. One card, one logo, one name of the parent company, a registered trademark, and list of services offered. Left side is the card, right side is the brochure that we have. This is the brochure we have. These are the inserts inside the brochure which offer all our services very clearly. Like displayed here. Every company, what it does is clearly conveyed to our customers before they can even reach us. And मास्टर क्लास के बाद जीने का असली मजा. रजिस्टर कॉटन गुरु एज अवर ट्रेडमार्क. रीडिजाइन, इट्स अ वेरी बिग हिस्ट्री. कॉटन गुरु वर्ड कहाँ से आया? लाइक ट्रेवल गुरु होता है, शेयर गुरु होता है, एवरीथिंग. बट देयर वाज नोबडी इन कॉटन whom people could look up to for guidance, who could say that, okay, I know a lot of things. I used to just advise people just like that. Read a lot of magazines on cotton, look through a lot of websites, but no branding of that knowledge. Just like that. So he suggested, if you put it as a brand and if you position yourself, not one among the lakhs and crores, but the only one, then people will recognize you and come to you for work. You need not go out of your office. Redesign logo, website, brochure, stationery, even packaging papers, labels in a very short time and at a very nominal cost. I mean, what we target, what quotes we had received, Amrish Bhai intervened that and did that in 50%. Masterclass helped, yes, Amrish Bhai, how I think for every line of mine, at least I should be clapping for him. Masterclass helped us to treat all the services as profit centers, no balancing act. इसमें कोई जुगाड़ नहीं चलता है. When you are running a list of companies, एक कंपनी का लॉस दूसरी कंपनी में एडजस्ट करना बहुत ही डिट्रीमेंटल हो सकता है स्टाफ के लिए, कंपनी के फ्यूचर के लिए. सो ही टॉट अस टू ट्रीट एवरी सर्विस एज अ प्रॉफिट सेंटर and follow up regular progress report and challenges in each one. This is how we look today. Turnover from April to July 2012, 13-14, 4 months. Lesha Impex Trading, last year we did 241 lakhs. This year we already done 530 lakhs, increase of 120%. PRD Cotton's advisory services that we do, brokerage 1.11 lakhs, uninterested 1.11 lakhs. It just came in my pocket. I did not do anything about that, but now we are focused. 4.94 lakhs till 3 days back, and the month is still to go. So increase of 330% in 4 months. This is our newsletter. हमने क्या पाया? All my knowledge is said. You put it, I used to just mail newsletters in a very informal format, just like that. I used to fax to my outstation office. They used to take photo prints of it and just distribute to clients, just like that. He said, no, you mail to the people who would appreciate it. And mailing is like free. So every 15 days we come up with these newsletters, and every 15 days religiously we send it to at least 1,000 people throughout the world, and a lot of appreciation we have received, and recognition goes without saying. So our Cotton Guru fortnightly newsletters are appreciated by many global experts and clients. This is what we achieved recently. Best Agribusiness 2012 award from Small India Congress. Best Social Entrepreneur 2012 award from India SME 100. I love to speak, but mainly in the background. So after doing master class, we got the confidence. I used to attempt every open houses and international conferences, seminars. I visited Hong Kong, Singapore, China, and every conference that I attended, I was very attentive and I was very focused during the open houses. So that is what helped me, and I was invited as a panelist during the International Cotton Conference in Gujarat in April 2013. The youngest panelist to be invited in any Indian seminar in 2013 till date.
आप इनके कंपनी के शेयर होल्डर है, ऐसी तालियां बजाइए.
And mind you, this can all be yours. After master class, anything is possible. So we are the first and only one to be registered as Chartered Cotton Valuer in India, registered with the two Apex Institutes, the Institute of Values, Delhi, and the Indian Institution of Valuation, Pune. This is the first time they have started this category of Cotton Valuer, and we are the first Indian to be registered in that category. Vision 2020, कल की कौन सोचता है? आज ही का जब ठिकाना नहीं है तो कल का क्या करेंगे? But no. Doing master class, आज तो क्लियर है, कल भी क्लियर है, 8 साल बाद भी पिक्चर क्लियर है. विजन 2020 लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है. We are recognized. What is our vision? We are recognized as Cotton Guru with trading turnover of 50 CR. Our current turnover is 12 CR. For the last year, we have already achieved 5 plus, as I told you right now. And consulting of 15 crores, 9 branches, 150 Cotton Guru, प्रदर्शन खेत. ये कंसेप्ट भी अमरीश भाई ने हमें दिया था. आई वाज ट्रेनिंग फार्मर्स सिंस अबाउट 6 years, पर कोई ठोस सबूत हमने नहीं बनाए थे. विदर्भ एरिया में, दैट इज अ ड्रॉट स्ट्रिकन एरिया ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट, एनजीओस, एपीएमसीज. बट ही सेड मेक रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ दैट और मेक सॉलिड एविडेंस सेंटर्स. तो अभी हम जिस तरह ट्रेन करते हैं, वी क्रिएट डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन फार्म्स एंड वी लेट द फार्मर्स डू द रेस्ट. So that is Cotton Guru Pradershan Khet. That is also started first time in India. We publish cotton updates, promote eco-friendliness of cotton. जो बोलो वो करो, ये अमरीश भाई का पहला वो है. हमारे यहाँ टिश्यू पेपर इनको दिखे जब इन्होंने फर्स्ट विजिट की थी. मुझे बोला जो बोले वो करना है. उसके बाद आज दिन तक मैंने टिश्यू पेपर यूज नहीं किया है, नहीं हमारे ऑफिस में रखे हैं. International alliances training farmers to enhance yield and क्वालिटी. आज फार्मर्स को लिए कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हो रहा है सब जगह टेक्नोलॉजी का, लेकिन परकोलेशन नहीं हो रही है. तो माई फोकस वॉज दैट, बट आई वॉज नॉट एक्चुअली अलाइनिंग माई एफर्ट्स. तो अमरीश जी हेल्प मी अलाइन दैट. नाउ वन फार्मर कैन टॉक टू द अदर. वी हैव अ हेल्पलाइन इन प्लेस, वी हैव फ्री SMS सर्विस फॉर फार्मर्स. एंड उनकी यील्ड एंड क्वालिटी में हमें सब्सटेंशियल इंप्रूवमेंट दिखा है, एंड वी हैव बीन अप्रिशिएटेड बाय मैनी फॉर दैट. सो दैट लाइफ ऑफ कॉटन फार्मर्स इंप्रूव्स, कॉटन यूजर इंडस्ट्री बेनिफिट्स एंड एनवायरमेंटल कॉस्ट इज सर्व्ड. माय मैसेज टू इमर्जिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, आई एम टू यंग इन दिस बिजनेस, not by experience, already 23 years, but by enlightenment. That is only 1 year old, I can say. But whatever I can say, small things would be business ethics, must, supervision rather than supervision. Most of my life I was spending supervising my staff, ये क्या कर रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है. But lost focus of my vision, so supervision is most important. Key team players in the organization, they are the fundamentals for any growth or scaling up. Execution focus for implementing strategy. Either one will not do. सिर्फ execution नहीं चलेगा, only strategy not enough, both of them. And emerging entrepreneurs के लिए कुछ 2 लाइन अगर आप परमिट करें तो. सीढ़ियां उनके लिए बनी हैं, सीढ़ियां उनके लिए बनी है जिन्हें है छत पर जाना. सीढ़ियां उनके लिए बनी है जिन्हें है छत पे जाना. आसमान पर हो जिनकी निगाहें, उन्हें रास्ता खुद है बनाना। Together we can make a difference for a better and a sustainable world. I being in the world of cotton in this product, इतना ही कहूंगा कि life is like cotton. Life is like cotton. Don't make it heavier by dripping in water. Tensions, mental blocks, सब कुछ है, वो इतना भारी है, वो पानी है, दिखता नहीं है हमें कि उसमें कुछ है, लेकिन एक बार उस कॉटन को पानी में डाल दिया, it becomes very heavy. And but make it like lighter by blowing in the joy of air. आप उसको छोड़ दीजिए, आपके विजन को क्लियर डायरेक्शन मिल जाएगा। जितना पकड़ के रखने की कोशिश करेंगे अपने आप को, उतना आप और दुख पाएंगे। एंजॉय लाइफ माय फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स फॉर योर टाइम।
थैंक यू मनीष भाई। आज का जो थीम है आपने उसको सार्थक कर दिया। अबाउट थिंक बिग, बड़ी उड़ान, ड्रीम्स, एक्सेलेंट एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।